Okay, so today we're at a new home in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida that was just purchased, and as you can see, the shower glass door is very stained, and this will not come off. So this glass was never treated with a hydrophobic coating, so it's going to have to be replaced. And this is a great example of why you need to put some type of hydrophobic coating on your glass, shower glass, to protect it. So it's going to be replaced today, and then we're going to treat it with the Nanovations NG1010 glass treatment. Okay, so this is the second part of this installation with Josh and John of Glass Doctor West Palm Beach. Okay, so we just finished the installation of our new shower glass with John and Josh from Glass Doctor West Palm Beach. And now we're going to treat the glass with a hydrophobic treatment, the Nanovations NG1010. And there's two ways to do that. We have our Shower Protect Plus kit, which will service 2 showers, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. So you have 2 5-year warranties for this product. And in the Shower Protect Plus kit, the product itself is on the pre-moistened towels. And for today's service, we're going to use the pump spray applicator, and we're going to use the lint-free applicator towels for the NG1010. So there's 2 ways to go. Shower Protect Plus with the pre-moistened towels, or the pump spray application. The deep cleaner, this is provided in the Shower Protect Plus kit, and this is used in case you go to a customer's house and they have a lot of soap scum on the shower. And you would use this first if it needs to be cleaned, and then you would apply the NG1010. Today we have virgin glass, so we don't need to use it. Okay, so this is our virgin glass, our new shower glass, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's untreated and it's hydrophilic. And you can see it just sheets. And, first up will be the CL50, because like I said, this is virgin glass, so we're just going to use the Nanovations CL50 glass prep as our first step. Okay, so we have completed step 1 on the treatment of this new shower glass with the Nanovations CL50, which is the deep cleaner and the glass preparation. And now we're about to put on this part 2, which is the NG1010 hydrophobic treatment. And the way you want to do that is you want to just take a lint-free towel, which we provide, and you're going to just spray the coating on the glass in small sections and just polish it out. Just keep polishing the material until it is crystal clear. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes since we treated the new shower glass with the Nanovations NG1010, and it takes about 30 minutes for it to be completely waterproof. So now we're going to show the difference between the before and after. And you can see how the water just sheets right off, and so from this point on, the maintenance is real easy. Just a quick pass with a shower squeegee, and that's it. No repeated maintenance is needed whatsoever, and it will last at least 5 years. And it will stay looking crystal clear for years to come. So you can see the glass is essentially dry. You can see how easy it will be to keep this clean moving forward.